So today I'm going to be making a different graphic. This is not really a tutorial, but more just me messing around, learning, trying to build stuff. Let me change my layout back to, let's just run for now. So I saw this graphic today that I want to recreate, which is here. So this holographic loader UI got on Pinterest, and I want to recreate this animation in Ventuz. So I want to do it in real time, not post. So let's start. So first I'm going to start off by building these little buttons. The animation is really quick, so it's hard to see. So let's minimize this, and this an axis, round it to rectangle. And let's scale this up. And I hope my mic is on this time, because last time it wasn't. Let me just double check. Yep, microphone is switched on. That's good. Okay. And let's increase the bevel size. Yeah, that'll do. And oops, I hold control and drag. Let's make this a bit more narrow. And let's change the fill. Huh? Yeah, is it the fill? What was the fill? Okay, I might have to do some masking instead. I was expecting it to do the outline of that. See? So we already discovered something. So stencil set, test. I could import the geometry, but I'll just using everything in Ventuz for now. Let's make that one smaller slightly. Maybe change the order. Where are you? Inverse. Hey, wireframe. That'll help. It's not good. Just want to synchronize. But this way. Okay, that's doing something. I want to make a hole in that one. Okay, that's better. Finally, we're getting somewhere with the mask. It's always so complicated to figure out what's what with the set test. It always takes me a while to understand. There you go. So I'm gonna make this shape. Just expand this. We finally got there. Let's bring this in a bit. That looks nice. group this. Call this button. And let's go to this and let's check. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Okay. So it's got motor on. It's got a ring inside. And all sorts. Okay. I'll just call this. Let's get another group. Frame. I'll just call that a frame for now. And get next is. And we want a circle. Scale this up. Shift it across. Put like that. Let's put a hole in that. Like that. That'll do. Let's scale it down a tiny bit. And let's go back to the. Let's just take a look. And we'll keep on jumping back and forth between these. Okay. There's an arrow, so I'm going to use texture for the arrow. Enter. Another axis. Let's go to text. Scale this up. Oop, I've got 3D text. I don't want 3D text. I want 2D text, please. Shift it along. So. Let's write in some stuff like, I don't know. Infographic 01 or something like that. I don't know. Could be anything. Just call this title. Circle, circle, yeah. I'm going to duplicate this. Delete that. Rectangle. Color. And call this arrow. Let's go on to online and let's check for, let's look for an arrow. Arrow textures, arrow. Oh, icon. This one. White icon, white arrow. Oh, it's spelled white wrong, that's okay. Yep, this one will do. Save image as, yeah, turn on desktop. Let's take a look. As a reminder, just keep on going back and forth for reference. Okay. So if I click on the color, yeah, let's add a texture, base with alpha, double click to my desktop where I saved it. Arrow. Scale down. Good. Oh, we have to color the ring because that should be orange, and it was a bit thicker like that. Maybe this needs to be smaller. Color. Change it to orange. For now, that looks close enough. You can also change font if you have better font on your system. What font have I got? I want a nice font. Yeah, just import, save. Yeah, I like that one. That'll do for now. Just text, tiny bit. I'm not gonna copy it exactly. I'll try to get as close as possible. We need an axis for this group. Okay. So what have they got here? Stop moving so fast. Can I? Let me see. Read it. Where does this take us? Is there a breakdown? There's no breakdown. Can we save this? Save as. Stop. Oh, that's loading. Let's just go back to here. Oh, that's loaded already. Great. Open. Oh, so we can take a look at the breakdown. Just look at which layer is it? Is it down here? No. Oh, that's really good. It's useful. Really useful for breaking down. There you go. We can look at the buttons. Zoom in a bit. Okay, so it's double. So this grows first. And what happens? Got this little kind of drop shadow thing. And then the button kind of. So this, and then this comes out. And then right bit. And then the arrow. Okay. Hang on, how does. So, okay. But we don't see the text, so we don't need to see this right now. And I think this needs to be a lot more thinner. So this needs to be here. Arrow can stay there, and I'll just block that for now, so don't see it. Drop that color on there. So let's get a toolbox. Let's get keyframe animation. Let's call this button. So that's the animation for the button. Grab the ring. I'm gonna animate that, the hole, so it scales out. Got this nice little glow, so maybe just create that glow. 6. There's that'll do. So save as, just save it to my desktop for now. I'm just going to do this page. You can set it if you have DDS. That's better. I could do as a DDS. I'll just do as page. It's quick for me. Let's call this glow 1. Just not too bothered about this. Just messing around. So scan axes with buff, color, and a rectangle. Exploding texture base with an alpha. There's our glow texture. Paste that there. That looks more like it. transparency, you can lock there. Yeah, so it's like something like that. I think we can come back to it and tweak. Oh, there's a white ring as well. So how does that work? It's interesting. 8. Where is that layer? There. Okay. Okay. This one, and this one. Let's keyframe the alpha for that. I think I'm gonna need another circle. Can do that after. Let's get this one as well. Let's keyframe the alpha on that. We'll just set some keys. Seconds. Let's go to. Let's do it for second, and then we can change the time. 0. No. 100. 0. 0. Okay. Where's my circle? Wait, circle. You. Why are you cutting? What value is that? 0, 1. Okay. Drag this. This one comes out later. And this one. The one we focus on later. Okay, I want another circle. Second one. Let's drag here. Yep. Yep. Just offset those. Maybe I can bring that in a bit more. That looks nice. Okay. Something like that. Let's just play it just to say. Yeah. It's not the right speed, but we will adjust the speed after. Yeah. Anything. Okay. So got this. Does this. Yeah. Let's just let's get the arrow. Let's animate the arrow next. To do this, we need to rotate, I reckon. 20. And tiny so I can see better. Okay. keep on forgetting about this mode. This mode name. I don't even have to do it. I can just move the world space like that. Okay, so let's get the arrow. Let's bring it back there. There's the arrow there. Let's call this arrow as well. And I'm not copying it 100%, but I'll try to get as close as possible. Now we've got some Z sort issues here, so that's very easy to fix because it's this one. So just get an axis and just push this back by a point. And maybe I'll scale it as well. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. And next we're gonna get this arrow and we're gonna keyframe the position of it. So we want it to move in 3D space. So as it fades on, we want it to animate, so add that. There. Kind of. Let's see. Yeah, that looks about right. That height. Could be quicker though, the animation, to be honest. I think it should start moving, is it? Yeah. Okay, so now we need the 2 rings, so what we can do is we can just duplicate the frame. Don't delete this animation, just don't need that. Change this to white. Get another axis. And this forward. Now bring this here, the arrows. Just take this. White frame. Orange frame. Let's rotate the whole group. And we got this weird thing. I think that's the lighting is on the actual frame. So let's change this to. Yeah, it's no light white. Huh? I forgot. It's masking. They're the same. So I need to set these to a different channel too. That's better. You have to remember these things. Just number these 1, 2. So I know that's 1, that's 2, so they don't clash. Okay, so we got that. So at this point, so this is where we want this graphics to finish. So let's keyframe this. Let's see. Let's reset this. Center the screen. Rotate it around. No, that needs to travel a lot more further. That looks better. Okay. We're getting somewhere. So keyframe this alpha. It's becoming like a little mini spider web. That's fine. Zero. Oh yeah, I don't want this to stay on screen too long. So let's go to this one. Want it to fade out again because I don't want it on screen. Okay, let's take a look at our reference. We're going to try these move so fast. They move, okay. Oh, they say slots pending. Maybe we can type that in. Slot pending. Let's add some text effects. Find text effects here. Keep on using shortcuts. Let's find text effects here. Text alpha. We want this. Animate in. I'm just going to create a family for this. I don't want it to get too messy. Zero. Yeah, that'll do. It's not the right angle to be looking at it, but I'll look at it from somewhere right there. Not too bad. How does it start? Let's move all these keyframes a second. A bit forward. And let's keyframe this one. It might be slight, the animation's not going to be the same. Okay, so it's not exactly the same. It's right slow right now, but we will speed it up. Let's position the text higher up. Yes. Okay, so that's one part of the button done. Let's take a look. Okay, these slide across. So how does the text transition out? So if I watch this one, oh, it wipes it. So what we could do, let me check. What can we do on the text effects? If I said invert, what would happen? Can keep the invert then. So invert. So I guess it would hold. No, we can just speed this up later. Sorry. So invert here, and then invert, and then get the text effect 0. Get that. Oh, I inverted the wrong way around. So it should be that way. That. So now this one, which one's this? Okay, and this is my error. This is my error. Oh, this is my error. So what's this? What have I got here? What is this? I forgot what layer this was. Let's turn the bounding box so we can see. If I block it, does it affect anything? Oh, I remember now. It's that little glow texture. Yeah. Okay, I forgot. I should name that glow. So I remember. So this. This to sit above this, but I want to group these two together. What can I do? Can I just put it like that? That's fine. I can do that's fine. So let's create a group. Let's put these two in there. Call this disk and axes. You can name these differently if you're following, or not. Let's grab the x-axis. Should name this as well, so I know. Because here it just becomes confusing. If I was to hand this scene over, no one else would understand. Oh, what the hell? Got circle, circle, circle. Then they have to go through here, find what's submission. It's best to name, but it's just me doing this right now, so it's okay. So let's keyframe this. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Don't want to move anything. Okay. Still, I forgot I had those selected to do it. Let's just click off. There you go. Okay, select keyframe. I'm gonna shift it over here. Let's just reset this so I can get the position correct. If I scale it Z, then I know, and that's correct. Then I can reset this. There we go. Dun, dun, dun. Not bad. So it's gone that way. It's wiped the text off. We've used the same text, and then we want it to wipe the text to add it back on. So we need to invert it again. So we need to select this key, and then key again. Turn the invert on, and bring this back to 100. we want this to be a linear animation. So I'm just going to select that and shift this so I can see better. Linear, that's better. Go back to my time. There. And I need to animate the position of the text so it shifts. So on that switch there, where's the text? That's the title. Okay, so let's get the axes, put this, let's group these together. I know it's the text. Just one frame here, and here it will be. Let's see, what's the value? There, minus 16, so if I copy that. Oh, not you, don't move. If I didn't mess it up. Yeah, I messed up the animation. Great. It's one thing I don't know. Silly keyframes. Okay, did that fix it? Almost. I have to manually drag these. I'll fix that in a second. Then just put the position in, so that's where I want the position. That'll do. Let's check. Oh wow, that's so fast. So I'll squeeze everything. Yep. Okay, let's check. Let's just rotate this a bit. Take a look. We're heading in the right direction. Something like that. Okay, it's not too bad. I think that arrow should rotate once it moves. I think it should rotate the other way. There's that ring. Does it turn white? I'm sure it turns white. No? This has changed. I want the arrow to move. As we get to there, arrow, where are you, arrow? Arrow, there. So this arrow. Let's go to texture. Where's the mapping? Okay. I was gonna change the UV mapping. That's fine. I can just rotate Z axis. Okay. Keyframe. go into the 180. Bing, bang. Okay. So that's the first part of the animation done. What's the time? 7:47. Not too bad. We can control the speeds in a bit. I'm gonna play around with the timing. What else does this animation have? So, oh, they flash. Oh, I can't be bothered to add the flashing in. I just noticed it's like flickering. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then this place. Okay. First thing I want to do is salute animation. Wrong one. This axis. 12. Disk X. Way too bouncy. Way too bouncy. What happens if I change it to 5? That's nice. It's very slow right now, but it's got a little bounce to it. It's not. So I'm going to containerize this. Let's just merge this to container. And do something different. I'm not going to use a states or anything. I'm just going to use simple. That there and expose that, and I'll keyframe this. So we'll go 50. 0. 8. That is not. Let's expose the text if we want to change that. Do we need this? Yeah, we will need. No, I'll just reset these. I'm going to position this all outside here. Okay, so what we've got this. Okay, that's fine. Maybe I should remove the massive things. I should use it outside. Or I can add that back in later. Maybe that's a bit better. We can do it out here. Okay, so let's grab an axis. Let's duplicate in 2, 3. How many was there? 3. just doing this by eye. I'm not gonna measure it or yeah, that I thought that would or could I don't know. We'll see. I'll make that. One, two, three. Two, three. Okay. Set a key. We're in seconds right now, so I think seconds fine. What? 67. One, two, three. So just offsetting the animation. Let's check this for a second. Oh. I wish there was like copy and paste and reverse keyframes and stuff like that. That would save so much time. So you could reverse an animation by just saying copying and pasting keys. Oh, I should have numbered these so this makes my life easier. 2, 3. I guess they'll go out. From there, let's just set it to minus 50. Minus 50. Okay. And they don't animate till later. So it's okay. And again, we offset these. Yeah, I still think that's too long. These animations need to be a lot quicker. Something like that. is it the other way? Let's check. Oh, it's from the bottom, so it's the other way around. No problem. Just move this key from there, and this one there. So, okay. I don't know if I could mirror this without having to do too much work. I can do one side. Rotate this. Go across, and then they open. Yeah. So the bottom and the top split up. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Y position. 3 frames. Just there you go. And this one, something like that. Not bad. What's that? An hour? We spent an hour doing this. Okay. Let's save this so far so we don't lose anything. So let's just say loader. Just call this for now. So it's good to save your work. Might have a power shortage, you never know. Okay, so okay. Can still work on the speed. I think this is way too slow. It should be quicker. This can move in. As they move in and spread out, then we can animate these to 100. So set key, set key, 100, 100, 100. Yes, they can just be offset. I think it should be the other way around. Doesn't really matter. Next, we offset a bit more. Okay, that looks nice. So far we've done most of the work in Ventuz. We haven't really had to, apart from the arrow texture, everything's been created inside Ventuz, which is amazing. Let's just build something else for a second. Let's just come away from these buttons for a second and do something else. I'm just gonna hit save again, and let's take a look at creating this background grid. You could use a texture, which is easy. You just try keep inside Ventuz. I don't want to click on group rectangle. Not that rectangle, just a normal rectangle. Please. Yeah. There you go. Just make a little line. Select here, spine one. Spreader. And mirror it. Bang. Let's group this to the same. Position this better. Scale this up slightly. More visible. Spread it out. Something like that. I'm just going to duplicate this. Rotate. Change the X to Y. We have a little grid. Then you could use a texture. It would be better to use one single texture, but you know, it does the trick. You could actually animate these. Should be more fun. So you could do like, so we could do a nice little animation of these. Yeah, let's animate this. This would be fun. Let's add that into our animation. So X, and for this one it'll be the Y. So let's go into here. Oh, what have I done? I've broken something. Okay. Set all these keys. Just offset these a little bit. Set them to 0. So we've got a nice little. And this one is because we've got the original turned on. So if I go here on the spreader, first, let's see how that looks. Oh, no, we need the first one on. Or do we? Let's check if we can spread. No, we need the first one on. There we go. That's still good enough. These white lines are too heavy, so I'm just going to put alpha. Just knock it back a bit. Not too bad. What else have they got on here? So, I mean, they've got the other side, so we can come back to the other side in a bit. Let's look at, maybe let's focus on this ring area. Okay, this is going to be interesting, the ring. It's got lots of parts. I don't know if I can do them all tonight, or how long it will take me, but let's see. So let's go to Photoshop where we can see a breakdown of it. There you go. So it starts off as a, okay, we've got this little glow, and then orange glow appears, and that kind of flickers on. white glue, and it kind of grows. Oh, and we've got this which fades on, so we're going to need to do a bit of Photoshop textures. And wipes on, and we've got this cylinder. We've got this texture with another cylinder, and we've got these extra additional rings. It's actually quite, it looks like a complicated graphic, but when you break it down frame by frame, it's not that difficult. You just have to take your time and look at all the elements. Like this is just a texture itself. And text effects we add in the middle. This is easy, you can make that. Okay. It just looks so complicated, but it's not. Ventuz makes it easier. Actually, let's add a color to this. So add a new 2D layer color. I just shift this up here. It's a greeny, very green, darkish greeny, blue. I don't know about that. Something like that. We don't have any glows or anything going on here just yet. Let's see what happens if I'm just gonna add effects. Let's see what effects we get. Glare. What happens if we add a glare to it? What would that do? Oh, interesting. Already looks better already. Just adding that. Minimal effort. I don't have to wait for it to post render the glows, or this is what I love Ventuz. You don't have to render anything. It's just there when you want it. So it's been an hour, so I'm gonna end the stream where it is and continue tomorrow building this disk area, and hopefully we can build some of these elements and animate them, and then do the other side so we could animate that. Thank you for watching the video, and see you tomorrow.